How's it going, everyone? Jared from Yota Expedition here, back with another LED upgrade for your Tacoma. This time we have our smoked lens sequential LED turn signals for your rear view mirrors. So right here I have the OEM turn signal from our Tacoma's mirror, and you can see it's got a clear lens and a whole lot of chrome. This is the Yota Expedition upgraded LED turn signal with sequential LEDs. It's got a nice smoked lens so that when it's installed on the truck, it blends in really nice. So when it's not lit up, it's got a really good stealth look. Not only do our turn signals add this sweet stealth look with the smoked lens, but you're also gonna get the sequential pattern, which is a lot cooler than the standard OEM turn signals blinking pattern. So whenever you use your turn signals, your four-ways, or when you lock or unlock the truck, you're gonna get that cool pattern coming up on your turn signal. If you pair our sequential turn signals with a set of aftermarket headlights and taillights that are also sequential, it looks really good all together. Removal of the OEM turn signal and installation of our smoked lens sequential turn signal is not too bad, but don't worry, we have a full install video on our YouTube channel. We got it linked down in the description for you. If you're ready to ditch the chrome, head over to yotaexpedition.com and grab a set of our smoked lens sequential turn signals for your Tacoma.